Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. We are going to start a comprehensive lecture series on ANSYS Workbench for beginners. So let's start. After the successful installation, you can find the Workbench icon on your desktop, and if it's not available here, then we have to type here Workbench, and here you can find the icon of Workbench, and we just need to select this one. Now our Workbench window is going to open, so we have to wait until this process is completed. Okay, so this is the main user interface of ANSYS Workbench. This is called the menu bar, and you can see there are different options we will discuss later. And from the left side you can find the toolbox, and under the toolbox you can find a status toolbar. And if we see at the right side, so there is a properties of project schematic, and this area is called the project schematic or view window. So you can see that now our analysis system is in expanded form. If we right click here, then you can see there are two options are available. The first one is expand all. It's already in expand position. If we want to collapse all these options, then we will select this one. Now you can see that under the toolbox there are 5 different options are available. The first one is analysis systems, the second one is component systems, the third one is custom systems, and then design exploration and ACT. If we will click here at the plus sign, then we can see that we can find the sub option in analysis systems. So these are different systems that can be used to do simulation of different structures or different machines or different models. The first thing is that if you want to change the position of this toolbox, so you have to select this place, and then you can drag your toolbox anywhere in the interface where you want to put. But if you want to place it at original position back, then you can double click here. Now you can see that our toolbox is at its original position. Okay, so the next thing is that let's suppose we want to do a static structure analysis. Then we need to drag this analysis system of structure analysis into project schematic. So how can we did this? Here first we have to find the structure analysis. So here is the structure analysis. So if we will double click on it, then it will be here in our project schematic. See, you can see that it's now in the project schematic. And the other option is that we can drag. Let's suppose we drag this one. If we drag, now you can see that there are 4 green boxes are available. First one is this, second one is this. So this is basically suggests us the position of this new structure analysis system. So we can place it here, we can place it here, so we can place it here, or we can place it here, or even we can use in this way. Okay, so this is our analysis system, and this is called cell. So any analysis system is consisted of different types of cell, and every cell has its own functionality. If we open this, it either open a new tab or either it will open a new application. So we will discuss later. So here you can see that there is a connection between two analysis systems. So these are called the links. So links are used either to share the data between two systems or either to transfer a data of one system to an other system. So we will discuss in later videos. So in this video we are just going to discuss the overview of user interface. Okay, so now we are going to discuss different types of helps option that are available in ANSYS Workbench. So there are basically 3 types of helps option are available. The first one is quick help. If you see this analysis system, so you can find a small arrow. If we click on this small arrow, then information window will pop up. This is basically a quick help that explain the current state of any cell. So it means that all the data is up to date and no attention is required. It means that this step is okay. Now we need to move next step. If we click here, then here you can see that this window tell us that there is something wrong, so we have to remove this error, or it means that we need to work with this cell, like we need to construct the geometry. It tell us that there is either there is no geometry or either there is an error with the geometry. Okay, so if we will draw the geometry, then the state of this cell change, then also the information of this quick help box also change. Okay, so the next is sidebar help. So if we go to help, and here we can see that there is a option show context help or F1. So if we select this one, now we can see that sidebar help window will pop up from this side. So if we will click on any option available here, then it will take us to the online help. So under the help option, there is an other option that is called online help. So if we will select the ANSYS Workbench help, then it will open a online help window where we can get help different options and capabilities of ANSYS Workbench. So this is the overview of ANSYS Workbench user interface. In next video we will discuss configuration of toolbox. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos.